Hello friends, today we are going to discuss another topic. Okay, we are going to start with another topic, that is mathematical reasoning. So from today's class onwards, we are going to start on with the mathematical reasoning, its problems and how we can deal with it. So I will give you some easy tips for your exam. Okay, so we can start on with the mathematical reasoning, and the subtopics today we are going to discuss are the types of reasoning. Okay, types of reasoning. Today is class we discuss the verbal, non-verbal reasoning and logical reasoning. So one, two, three. Three of the small topics we will discuss. Today's class is very small. So from today onwards, we must have an idea about what is mathematical reasoning. After that, we will start on with our mathematical reasoning process. Okay. So listen to the class. So we discuss the syllabus for our mathematical reasoning aptitude. Okay, Unit 5. It is a part of Unit 5, mathematical reasoning and aptitude. The first point we have to discuss is the types of reasoning. Okay, today's class we will discuss about it. Next is number series, letter series is there, codes and relationship is there. That is blood relation. Okay, father, mother, like that they will ask the questions. Then mathematical aptitude, they will ask the fraction. Then time and distance, the train travel this much distance, and what is the time when you reach the time, like that they will ask the questions. Then ratios, 2:5, like that ratios is there, you have to convert, or like that is something they will ask. Then percentage we can see, we have to see. Then profit and loss, then interest and discounting, averages, the age, like that things will come there. So yeah, like these are the areas we have to discuss for your UGC net exam. So one by one we will discuss all these topics, and I will give you an easy way how we can get the answers. So listen to the class. Today we will discuss only the types of reasoning. Okay. So types of reasoning, I told you it is of three types. First one is verbal. Verbal, we know it is the language is involved in it. In verbal, language is involved. Example, analogy. Okay, analogy type of questions, analogies. Then direction based questions. That is, one person is moving from one to, he is going from his office and he is reaching somewhere, like that questions is verbal based. And the distance travel is like that, they will ask the questions. And now he is in which direction, like that the questions. Next is analogy, that is clock is connected to time, and then water is connected to dash, like that they will ask the questions. And blood relation test, I told you, he's the son of my uncle's brother, like that they will ask the questions. So blood relation type questions is come under the verbal type. Okay. Next is non-verbal. Non-verbal, there is no need of language. Just we have to understand, interpret, and we have to analyze it. That is what we have to do in the non-verbal type of reasoning. Okay. Number series, that is, they will give 2, they have given 4, they have given, then they have given 6. Later, they have given some question mark. After that, they have given 10. Then we have to find which is the missing, missing number, like that. Then letter series is after A, they have given some D or like that. Then after that, some F is given. Like that, they may given some question marks in between. Or sometimes they will give a group of letters, then ask us to find the answers of it, like that. Then codings are also given. That is, tumble is tumble. Example I will giving. A tumble is coded as 1, 2, 3. Then what is that is bat is coded, like that they will ask some kind of questions. So coding is will come under non-verbal type of reasoning. Next is logical. Logical, we know inference from the hypothesis through reasoning. We have to find the we have to go through what all the things is given, and we will reach some kind of answers. That is known as logical reasoning. That is inductive as well as deductive reasoning. So logical reasoning, it is a two type, inductive and deductive. I know you know about all these things. Still, I am just revising it because here also we needed some kind of inductive reasoning. Inductive is specific to general. Okay, analogical will come under inductive reasoning. That you have to keep in mind. They have asked in the exam. Analogical is some questions as given and ask whether it will contain in which kind of reasoning. So it is analogical reasoning come under inductive reasoning. Okay, empirical is a partial experimentation. It is experimental is the. It is also belong to the inductive reasoning. It is like a pyramid. Okay, inductive reasoning is like a pyramid. And doubt, first we doubt about a thing and we will search and we will reach a solution. As usage in it. Okay, we use it as usage of as can be seen in it. As or like that words we can see in the inductive reasoning. Example, earth revolves around the sun. So they have given one example is earth revolves around the sun, Mars revolves around the sun. So both are planets, they are revolving around the sun. From that we will get a conclusion that all planets revolve around the sun. Understood? Like that we are reaching a point. So this is the kind of inductive reasoning. Next is deductive reasoning. That is general to specific. Sure, we have a surety in the deductive reasoning that we can see in the logical reasoning. That is from top to down we have to see. Inverted type of pyramid is using in it. And syllogism will come under deductive reasoning. That you must know that. Syllogism we know that. We will make some circles. All cats are birds. Birds are tables. But all tables are not animals. Like that is some and a conclusion will be given like that. So we have to make some circles and all. We will find the answers and all. So syllogism will come under deductive reasoning. Conclusion follow premises. It's a specialty of deductive reasoning. It is always follows the that is the premise. What the premise said, it is followed by the conclusion. Then valid or invalid. And valid or invalid, it will come under the deductive type of reasoning. So these are the things we have to know about the logical reasoning. So in mathematical reasoning, verbal is there, then not verbal is there, and deductive reasoning is there. Logical reasoning is there. So I told you earlier itself, it's a small video. Just want to introduce you about the mathematical reasoning. You have to get a general idea. Okay, general awareness is what I mean in this video. So I think you get an idea about what is verbal reasoning, what is non-verbal, and what is logical reasoning. From next class onwards, we will discuss one by one, and I will give you the tips for your easy tips for your exam. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, we can meet in the next class. Goodbye, all of you. Good day. Thank you.